Hey everyone, Sandy here from Wellness times 3. Just want to highlight the importance of change and how change is a very fabric of life. We see this shown in the seasons. We have our seasons: winter, summer, spring, fall. Change is constant. Our skins change, or breathing pattern change based on stress levels. We shed so much dead cells every day, like our bodies, everything. Life is all about change. There's a constant change around us. So we must know how to utilize the whole principle of change, which is a very fabric of life itself. But not just change as in terms of a blanket word or statement, but to recognize that change for the better. That's the change that I'm talking about. How we could use this change for self-development. How we could use this change to be kinder, to be gentler. The idea of change, the message of change, it's important. So keep that in mind when we're confronted with unfavorable situations. As you can see, it's a beautiful winter's day, nice and mild. Lots of people out, even kids on the swing in the park, people walking. But anyways, just that whole message of change and how it's a very fabric of life, the way God designed it. And we could utilize this principle and, be better. Okay, that's my message for today. And hope this can be applied. You could use these principles, use this idea, this message to apply to your life. If you're going through a difficult situation, just recognize that you have the will and power to change it sometimes. If you can't, then to recognize it as an opportunity to grow. If you can't change that situation, it's a part of the very fabric where change comes, sometimes good, sometimes bad, but seek to embrace the good changes. Recognize the bad. You could even still use a bad as an opportunity for spiritual growth, for drawing closer to God. For example, during this whole time, I notice more people are tuning into Zoom, for example, doing videos and utilizing that time to, for bettering themselves, right? So change. That's the message. Thank you.